Teka, wait.
Oh,
Okay, wait. Greet muna. Teka, wait. Greet muna tayo ng, okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year!
Hey guys! Kumusta na kayo dyan? Welcome back to Mama Quata's channel! For today's video, we'll prepare New Year's Eve dinner! Oh, samahan nyo kami guys ha! Are you excited? Sama-sama kami sa kusina guys! At nagtutulungan kami to prepare our New Year's Eve dinner. Pati si Papa Q, meron din siyang niluluto at saka si Yani at saka ako din. And kami lahat nagtutulungan para kumpletos ricados. Okay? Are you excited? Let's go! Guys ay tadan! Ito yung steamed fish na niluto ni Papa Q. Comment below kung gusto ninyong i-feature natin with Papa Q. Kung i-request ninyo na mag-cooking video kami uli ni Papa Q. Okay? So, ilagay natin dyan. Okay, Josh. Oh. And the next nating putahe number 2 ay ham, of course. Kasi New Year na, New Year. So, kailangan may ham. And pangatlo nating putahe ay seafoods kare-kare, niluto pa rin ni Papa Q. Okay, comment below kung gusto ninyo itong i-feature natin ang seafoods kare-kare ni Papa Q. Okay? And then, guys, tingnan nyo, nakaluwag-luwag kasi eh. So, may ulo ng lechon. Oh, ito, crispy na crispy. Yan. Okay, parang puno na ang table, no? At saka, of course, hindi mawawala yung ating lumpia ni Mama Quatang. So, yan. Ilalagay ko na dito sa side. By the way, kung yung hindi pa nakakita kung paano ko ito ginawa ang lumpia ni Mama Quatang, guys, please check sa previous video ko kasi meron how to make lumpia Shanghai ni Mama Quatang. Okay? And then, of course, meron dito, meron tayong salad. Salad kasi walang salad last Christmas dinner. So, ngayon, I see to it na meron si Yani ang gumawa nito, guys. Oh. Sa salad ay may avocado, merong baby spinach, at saka different kinds of lettuce, and then carrots. Yan. Sari-sari na mix salad. Mixed vegetable. And then, meron tayo ditong steamed vegetable na ginawa ni Yani. O yan, very healthy. Para back up naman guys kasi mostly meaty tayo, di ba? And then, of course, itong sauce na to na for the seafoods kare-kare ginawa ni Papa Q, ito yung gamitin natin during sa pagkain ng seafoods kare-kare. Okay? And then, of course, sa sinabi ko sa inyo na hindi pwede ang kainan na wala tayong dessert. Hulaan nyo anong dessert natin ngayon. Okay? Ta-da-dan! Ta-dam! Red velvet cake with cream cheese frosting. And then, nilagyan ko ng mga toppings na red. So, comment below kung gusto ninyong i-feature natin to. Okay? So, ayan. Yung cake, the same. Ginawa ko din ng muffins. Red velvet pa rin ito. Tingnan ninyo. Ayan, nilagyan ko pa rin ng cream cheese frosting on top and then toppings. Nag-sprinkle ng, yan, okay. Tan-nan-nan-nan, of course, ang buko salad, buko fruit salad. Oh, alam ko, very expert kayo gumawa nito. So, different fruits and then, guys, frozen nga lang yung buko namin dito. Pero anyway, buko salad pa rin, okay? And then, of course, the very popular na leche flan ni Mama Quatang. So, comment below kung ano yung gusto niyong i-feature. Leche flan o ano man yung dito sa mga food natin na yung ginawa luto ni Papa Q na steamed fish. Okay, so guys, andito na lahat natin yung mga pagkain natin sa salo-salo natin sa New Year's Eve dinner. So, So, uulitin ko guys, meron tayong salad dito, mixed salad. And then, lumpia Shanghai ni Mama Kwatang. Okay, and then seafood kari-kari na gawa ni Papa Q. Ayan, and then with the special sauce. Okay, and then ulo ng lechon. Of course, may side dito na may natira na extra na crispy pata. And then, of course, the ham, baked ham, na niluluto natin with the pineapple juice. And then, of course, ayan, the steamed fish, gawa ni Papa Q. And then, itong baked na vegetable para sides natin. And then, yung mga dessert natin dyan. Sa dessert natin, na buko salad. And then, the leche flan, special leche flan ni Mama Kwatang. And then, red velvet cake with the cream cheese icing. And then, I think that's it. And of course, since it's New Year, bumili si Yani nito guys. Oh my God. Para, ready na ba kayo? Okay. Kasi, alam nyo, 5 days akong mag-off. So, for this video. I hope you like watching. Samahan nyo kami sa salo-salo natin sa New Year's Eve dinner. And of course, wishing you all the best for the year 2020. And then, I just declare blessing to everyone. And then, of course, to my family in the Philippines, in Dipolog City, and all over the world, OFW, mga kababayan ko dyan from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, all over the world, mga OFW, Happy New Year! So wishing you all the best for 2020, good health, and more blessings to come. Okay? That's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Kwatang's channel. Bye for now. God bless you all. Happy New Year! I love you guys. Bye! Okay mga anak, kalina, kauna, kain na tayo. Kalina, gutom na. Pa!
Yay! Happy New Year! Kain na!
Oh. Teka, wait.
Oh,
Okay, wait. Greet muna. Teka, wait. Greet muna tayo ng, okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year!